Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today I've got something from James in Lakeside, California. He's sent so many boxes to me I can't count, and he always keeps finding stuff that I haven't had, so I'm stoked. Thank you very much, and let's crack it open and see what he sent this time. Cool. Oh wow, check that out. The first thing I saw in here was some violet crumble bars, the regular and the dark. Yeah, you know, I got one of these from unboxing I did from some Indomie varieties that came from Australia. And James lives down in California, but he was like, oh, I didn't realize he had trouble getting those up there. So he sent me a whole bunch of candy bars of the same kind. So that's really cool. Thank you very much. Here's a cool one. This is by Pulmuan, and this is their crab ramen. I don't remember if I've reviewed this. If I have, it wasn't in this packaging, so that's cool. And this is definitely one that's made in South Korea, but it's for the U.S. market. It's distributed by the Pulmuan distributor here, and their stuff usually is more health conscious, so cool. Can't wait to give this a try. Thanks. Oh wow, so this one is a losi noodle. This is what also you might see losifen. This is river snail noodle, and they put river snail powder in it, and it's been really popular coming to the US lately from China. So the brand name says it's No Wong. So I haven't tried this. That's for absolutely for certain. Cool. And indeed, another one I haven't tried. This is by Jin Mai Lang. This is a seafood udon. I've never seen this, didn't know it existed, and that's huge. Wow. And finally, we've got this. Whoa, this is the brand name for this is Thai Authentic. And this is Sriracha Shrimp Ramen. And it's made for a distributor in Kentucky. And I had some of these varieties I found recently that were made for a distributor in Kentucky as well. I don't know if it's the same distro, but yeah, these are made in Thailand and made with authentic Thai shrimp flavor. And it says, best flavor ever! Well, right on. Thank you very much to James from Lakeside, California. This is super cool. I haven't tried any of the ramen, and I like these candy bars, and I'm going to have enough to share some with my family, so that's cool. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. And yeah, thanks everybody for watching. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.